get the most from your retirement plan, max out your match. If your bank offered you $50 just for opening an account, you'd probably take it. But what if your employer is offering you thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars just for saving for retirement? That's exactly what an employer retirement plan match can do, and many people don't take full advantage of it. What an employer match really is. If you participate in a workplace retirement plan like a 401k, your employer may match part of what you contribute from your paycheck. This is often described as free money because it's an additional contribution your employer makes on your behalf, on top of your own savings. And the vast majority of employers that offer retirement plans provide some form of matching or profit sharing contribution. Understanding the match investing. Matching formulas vary by employer. A common example is a 50% match on the first 6% of your salary that you contribute. That means if you contribute 6%, your employer contributes an additional 3%. Some employers also use a vesting schedule. Vesting determines how much of the employer's contributions you get to keep based on how long you stay with the company. The longer you remain employed, the more of that match becomes fully yours. Why maxing out the match matters. Here's where the real impact shows up. Consider a 35-year-old employee earning $50,000 a year. If she contributes just 2% of her salary, she receives some employer match, but she's leaving money on the table. Over time, that partial match can grow to about $24,000. Now, if that same employee increases her contribution to fully max out the match at 6%, the employer's contribution could grow to more than $73,000 by retirement. That's an additional $49,000, simply by contributing enough to earn the full match. And that doesn't even include the growth on her own increased savings. Enrollment isn't the finish line. Enrolling in your retirement plan is a great first step, but it's not the final one. Maxing your employer match is one of the most effective and easiest ways to boost your long-term retirement savings without changing your investment strategy. If your employer offers a retirement plan match, make sure you understand the formula, the vesting schedule, and how much you need to contribute to receive the full benefit. Maxing out your match is one of the smartest moves you can make for your future. Thank you for listening. If we can be of help, reach out. Thank you.